Are you tired of frequent bathroom trips interrupting your sleep? Feeling low on energy and vitality? Most men face this issue but don't know how to solve it. Introducing Prostavive, the all-natural solution designed to enhance your prostate health, improve urinary flow, and boost your energy levels. Imagine a life where you sleep through the night without constant interruptions. Picture yourself feeling rejuvenated and confident. Prostavive supports prostate health by promoting better urinary flow and natural energy levels. Its unique formula combines proven ingredients that target the root causes of discomfort, instead of just masking symptoms. Prostavive stands out with its scientifically backed blend of Boron, Tongkat Ali, and Ashwagandha. This powerful combination helps restore your prostate function and supports hormonal balance. Join thousands of satisfied customers who have regained their confidence and vitality. Don't just take our word for it. Michael R. from Florida says, "I can finally sleep through the night." It's time to reclaim your comfort and health. Order Prostavive now and enjoy a limited-time 50% discount, bringing your price down to just $39 per bottle. Experience the transformation yourself. Click the link in the description and pinned comment below to secure your order and take the first step towards better prostate health today. Your satisfaction is guaranteed with our 180-day money-back promise. Don't wait, this offer won't last long. Act now.